Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Toggl time tracking software in 2023. Of course, Toggl is a powerful tool that helps individual and teams track their time for better productivity and project management. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started with Toggl. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll have to go and sign up for a Toggl account. To do so, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that, make sure to go to the URL section and simply you'll have to type Toggl and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to click on this first link, which is Toggl Time Tracking Software, Project Planning, and Hiring Tools. Click on that. So once you are here, of course, as you can see, before we start, make sure to scroll down and read more information about the website, like why Toggl, because we see time as an opportunity. As you can see, 100 NC surveillance commitment, data-driven insights for better. So basically, just read all the information that you may require to know better about this website and knowledge yourself about it and familiarize yourself with it. Then, of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on login to log in into your account. And if you don't, you will have to go and click on try Toggl at the top right corner here, as you can see. And once you click on it, of course, you'll have to choose one of those three options. So Meet Toggl, 3 products, 1 mission. Our tool helps team works better, no matter how or where they work. So there's Toggl Track, effortless time tracking, Toggl Plan, beautiful, simple team planning, and Toggl Hire, skills-based hiring. Let's just try as example Toggl Track, because as we said in the beginning of this video, we would like to start using Toggl Time. So once we click on that, as you can see, you will find an option if you want to sign up or create an account with your email and a strong password, or you can simply sign up or create an account with Google or Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating your account. For me, I'll just go with Google here and I'll choose one of my accounts. And of course, once you do so, you'll find yourself here. So welcome to Toggl Track. By proceeding, you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You will also receive marketing emails from us, which can opt out of any time. Agree and start tracking or cancel. Of course, before, make sure to read all of that. It may take you some time. I guess like reading the privacy policy in terms of service will take you something like 1 hour, but it's not going to be a big deal, especially if you know everything. It's very useful for you. So click on agree if you agree to all of that. And then now we'll have to wait until this page loads. Now, of course, we'll be at our dashboard. Let's start by answering some questions. So let's get started. What should we call you? I'll just name myself a test here and click on next. Okay, so they will be annoying. Let's just do this and this. And here, so welcome. Did you hear about us or where did you hear about us? You can simply choose like search engine, friend, coworker, social media, blog or podcast, anyone, anything you want, or just click on other and simply type your answer. I'll just say test here, click on next. As you can see, nice. What industry do you work in? You can simply choose one of those or other again and simply choose your industry here. I'll just type test again, click on next. And as you can see, what are the main reasons you are looking for a time tracking solution? So choose one of those options or something else and again type your something else here for you. Make sure to be accurate, or you can simply just skip all of those questions and go straight to the app if you want to. So for me, I'll just go next. And as you can see, how many team members will you be inviting? You can simply just choose here how much, or just choose Chesme, which I'm going to choose here. Click on next, and as you can see, thanks for answering these questions. And here you are. So now, what should we start with to start using, of course, Toggl time? Of course, we can start by setting up like your workspace. Once you logged in and finish all those things, you will be prompted to set up your workspace. And this involves, of course, providing some basic information about your work and goals. You can, as an example, if you want to, install the Toggl desktop app for seamless like time tracking. Consider like downloading and installing the Toggl desktop app. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux if you want to. If you don't, it's very fine. You can simply just use this in web. So here basically you can simply start creating a projects, create your first projects by simply click on like create a project here at the top right. And of course give it a name. I'll just give it a test. And the clients, you can simply add a new client or you can leave it as it is. Privacy, do you want private or public? So private is visible only for projects members and visible for anyone in the workspace. Recurring, you can choose that. If you don't have a time, it's fine. Time estimated, you can simply put a time estimated. I'll just put here like 4 hours or something like that. Or you can simply do this calculated task based estimates. And the Boolean, of course, is a default rate or nothing. So do whatever you want and click on create projects. So once you do so, of course, as you can see, now we are at test projects. For you, you can now, once you have a project set up, you can click on simply start button to begin tracking time for that project. You can pause and resume tracking as needed. Of course, you'll find like the start button here if you don't know. And as you can see here, you can start it, and as you can see, the timer counting now, and you can pause it whenever you want or stop it. Then you can start it again and pause it depending on however time you want. As an example, if you click in here, this will just take you into the full screen. And as you can see, you'll find here the timer with the time on your screen. You can always quit the full screen. You can even pause it from here. Once you pause it, as you can see, it will simply get you back into your, sorry, will should get you back just into here. You can simply just go and add like a time if you want to. You can, this is just for posing and etc. You can of course add even like description and text to your times enterprise for more like details tracking and reporting. And this is especially useful for categories tasks. Of course, you can even use like the Pomodoro timer. Toggl also offers a Pomodoro timer feature that can help you work in focused sprints. You can enable this feature in your settings. And of course, after tracking your time, head over to the report section to view and analyze your time entries, and this will give you an insight to your productivity and where your time is going. Of course, you'll find this here in the reports if you are interested in example. And other than that, you'll be able to customize your workspace. So we can explore like the toggles settings to customize your workspace and set up reminders and configure the preferences that suits your workflow and your needs. So that's gonna be for me today. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully started using Toggl time tracking software in 2023. Of course, by diligently tracking your time, you've like or you'll be able to manage your tasks and projects more effectively and efficiently. So remember to regularly review your time entries to identify areas for improvement. So, of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And of course, if you have any issues, you can always contact their support. So thanks for watching and happy tracking, and I will see you in the next video.